In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix black screen problem. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to check your internet connection. So launch your settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget it, restart your router and rejoin it. Next up, sign out and sign in back to your Netflix account. So launch your Netflix app, navigate to the sign out page, log out of your account, wait for a few minutes and then sign in back. Likewise, check for the updates for the app Netflix. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Still you are having the issue, check for the software update in your device. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Netflix from your device and reinstall it, and that's it. These are some fixes for black screen problem on Netflix. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.